you've ever lost group chat in a sea of chaotic nicknames, or wished you could send that perfect live photo from your iPhone with all its motion intact, then WhatsApp has some good news for you. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. WhatsApp is rolling out a pack of new upgrades for both iOS and Android users that promise to make chatting, sharing, and finding your memories easier than ever. First of all, live photos for iOS and motion photos for Android can now be shared directly through the app. Think of it as sending a photo with a heartbeat, a quick movement that captures more emotion than a still shot or short video ever could. Android users are also getting a much-needed document scanner built right into WhatsApp. No more switching apps just to scan, crop, or send paperwork, because now you can do it all while staying in chat. iPhone users, you've had this gem for a while, but it's now a cross-platform reality. And then there's the search rescue mission for group chats. We've all been trapped in hilariously unhelpful and sometimes downright dark group names. Now you can simply type in a friend's name and WhatsApp will pull up all the chats you share with that person. As a cherry on top, Meta AI is jumping into the mix. You can now generate custom chat themes or get creative with AI-generated video call backgrounds from your dream vacation spot, or you can set the background to Hogwarts. They even work in videos and photos taken within WhatsApp. Features are rolling out soon, so make sure you've updated the app and get ready to rediscover your chats, memories, and maybe even your inner artist. Did you like the new update? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.